Settle down, everyone. All right. Is everyone excited? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's a boy!
Congratulations! All right, good boy. The rightful heir. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, yes. That's so excited. Oh, it's a boy.
You're here.
How are you?
I guess we should choose the lucky guesser.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Come on.
For the
You know what? I've had enough of this. Magkakape ako sa labas. Care to join me?
Shane! It's George!
George, come. Get your prize. 1 million pesos.
It's okay pa. Sa iba niyo na lang po ibigay yan.
Tinatanggihan mo ang blessing? But that's for you.
I said I don't want it.
Just take it as a consolation. Or you can use this money for you to buy a baby. Since you can never conceive one.
What? George cannot conceive a baby?
Oops! Hindi ba nila alam na baog ka?
Baog si George? Hindi po totoo yun. Nagsisinungaling lang po si Beverly.
Since when did I lie? Nung sinabi kong magkaka-baby kami ni Basil, I was telling the truth. And the DNA test confirmed it. I may be a mistress, but I'm not a liar. Unlike you.
Both of you, let's discuss this privately. Nakakahiya sa mga bisita.
Mas nakakahiya si George kasi nagsisinungaling siya sa inyong lahat.
Tumahimik ka nga dyan!
Baog ang anak mo at hindi niya kayang bigyan ng anak si Basil.
You shut up. You don't know what you're talking about.
But I do, George. I do. And that's the thing about the truth. It stings like a bitch.
Halika na.
Totoo siguro ang chismis. Na nung malaman ni Basil na hindi siya kaya bigyan ng anak ni George, gusto na siyang hiwalayan. Kaya pinatay mo siya.
Huwag mo nang patina. Halika na. Mauna na tayo. Halika na. Halika dito.
George! George!
Anak, bitawan mo yan. yan, please.
George, get away from her!
Huwag kayong lalapit. I swear to God, sasaksakin ko tong babaeng to. Please.
Please, please, don't kill me.
Look who's begging now. After humiliating me, after embarrassing me, why would I give you an inch of mercy?
Ate, bitawan mo na yan. Hindi ko mamamatay tao.
Anak, anak, please. Anak, please, makinig ka sa akin. Please, bitawan mo na, anak, please.
George.
You better thank your God I'm not the killer you think I am.
Are you okay? Do you want water? What do you want?
Wow, that's quite a scene she made there. It seems like George is more than capable of killing. Ano sa tingin mo, Amado? Hmm?
Kanya nalaman yung kondisyon